What's up, YouTube? So a little tip for you. So I'm here at a job site and I got nails in my board. I'm removing all these baseboard in the entire house. But you don't want to leave your nails exposed, especially if people are walking around. You don't want people to accidentally step on the nail, cause an accident on a job site. You don't want to go around using a hammer and try to remove every single nail. And I don't need this. This is going straight in the dump. So what I do, a little tip, you want to turn the board over, but instead of stepping on it directly, basically it's going to either shoot up or go in the carpet or on the floor. So what I do is basically I step and I go sideways, push it this way. Basically that causes your nail to flatten down. So an easier way is basically turn the board over and just basically step on it. We want it to go this way. Instead of straight down, just basically go this way and that will basically bend your nail. So hope that helps. Let me know if that helps you. Little tip for you while you're in the job site. Always bend your nail over, never leave it up like that. It just prevents injury. So hope that helps. Catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe for more tip like this and click the notification bell for new videos. Catch you guys later. Peace.